Hi everyone, we are going to open baby twozies, and I got Lizzie's woodzeez, and I'm opening one with Rachel.
Hi, my name is Rachel, and today we're gonna box baby twozies.
We will show you a close-up of them. We took off the plastic of our toys now, and we are going to show you what we got inside of them.
Ooh, somebody's going popsicle.
I got Marbles and Meowler for the twozies, and I got a raccoon that is called Reclusa. I'm not sure if that's what it is. And it's a raccoon that has a fuzzy head and arms. The arms does not really move, but it has bobbles.
I have a penguin, and is wibbles, and the heads can move, and they can move by sides and there. And I got a white bird, and it is
You can get all these toys at Target. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye!